Credit cards versus debit cards. Which one should you use and why? Let's face it, we all spend money. Whether it's groceries, gas, coffee, or online shopping, we swipe, tap, or click, and boom, it's paid. But have you ever stopped to think about how you're paying? Most people use either a credit card or a debit card, but they're not the same, not even close. Today we're going to break it down, the pros, the cons, and which one might be better for you. Let's start with debit cards. What are they? When you use a debit card, you're using your own money, directly from your checking account. That means if you have $200 in the bank and you spend $30, your balance drops to $170 instantly. Pros of debit cards: you can't spend more than you have, which makes it great for budgeting. No interest fees because you're not borrowing anything. Easy to get approved for. Most banks give you one with your account. Perfect for everyday use, especially if you're trying to avoid debt. But there are some cons too. It won't help you build credit. That means when you apply for a car loan, apartment, or mortgage, it won't do much for your credit score. If your card is stolen, your bank account can be drained. Yes, you might get your money back, but it can take days, even weeks. And if you accidentally spend more than what's in your account, you might get hit with overdraft fees. Some banks charge $30 or more for that. Now let's talk about credit cards. These work very differently. With a credit card, you're not spending your own money right away. You're borrowing money from the bank or credit card company. At the end of the month, they send you a bill and you pay it back. Pros of credit cards: you can build your credit history. That's super important for future financial goals, like buying a home, getting a loan, or even landing certain jobs. Most credit cards offer rewards, cashback, points, travel miles, basically free money or perks for spending, better fraud protection. If someone steals your credit card number, it's usually easier to dispute charges, and you're not out any actual cash right away. But of course, there are cons. If you don't pay your balance in full every month, interest charges add up fast. Credit card interest can be 20% or more. That's expensive. It's easy to overspend. Since you're not seeing the money leave your account immediately, it doesn't always feel real. And that can lead to debt. Late payments hurt your credit score and can lead to late fees. Missing just one payment can set you back. So which one should you use? It depends on your money habits and your financial goals. If you're someone who likes to play it safe, avoid debt, and stick to a strict budget, a debit card might be your best friend. You can only spend what you have, and there's no interest involved. But if you're confident you can manage money, a credit card used wisely can be a great tool. You can earn rewards, protect your purchases, and build your credit score. Just be sure to pay your bill in full every month. Here's a pro tip: use both. Many smart spenders use a credit card for predictable small expenses, like subscriptions or groceries, and then pay it off in full each month. That way, they get the credit boost and rewards without the interest. Then, they use a debit card for things like eating out or spontaneous purchases, things where they want to be extra careful not to overspend. The bottom line? Credit cards and debit cards are tools. One isn't better than the other. They just do different jobs. What matters most is how you use them. Use them wisely, and they can help you build a solid financial future. Use them carelessly, and they can cause major headaches. So next time you swipe your card, you'll know exactly what you're doing and why.